Best deals.
1. Spice box. Ideal for storing different types spices or refreshments like saunf, clove, cardamom. Has been crafted in modern utility with artisans, blending traditional art forms to sustain livelihoods and preserve India's rich heritage. It suits any kitchen settings. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Beverage dispenser. The silicone-sealed wooden lid keeps drinks fresh and protected from dust. Inbuilt thermometer displays temperature up to 50 degrees Celsius, no more guessing. Perfect for preparing safe warm drinks for kids or daily detox water. The leak-proof stainless steel faucet allows mess-free dispensing, while the air vent valve ensures smooth, glug-free flow. Just pull and press to activate easy pouring. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Copper jar. Airtight seal ensures freshness and preserves the flavor of stored items. Ideal for storing snacks, masalas, cookies, and more. Clear glass with see-through bottom allows for easy visibility of contents and quantity. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Containers. Crafted from sustainably sourced rice husk, Nature Box supports ethical practices in rural communities. These boxes can be recycled at the end of their life cycle, promoting a circular economy. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Storage tin. Made from high-quality, food-safe stainless steel, ensuring safe and hygienic storage. Convenient see-through lid. A transparent lid allows quick content visibility, reducing the need to open the container frequently. The tight sealing lid helps preserve freshness, keeping stored items safe from moisture, dust, and contaminants. The unique capsule shape adds a modern touch to your kitchen. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Dry fruit container. Suitable for storing a wide variety of snacks, such as biscuits, namkeen, dry fruits, and more. The set includes 4 containers, each with a capacity of 430 milliliters. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Grain dispenser. Single button dispensing without scooping. Save time with a single button design that neatly pours grains into your bowl. No more spilled dal packets or measuring cups messing up the counter. 360 degrees rotating base for effortless access. Busy moms don't have time to lift or dig for jars. Just rotate the dispenser and get what you need, even from inside a cramped cabinet. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Yogurt maker. Easily transform curd or plain yogurt into thick, delicious Greek-style yogurt by simply straining out whey in your fridge. Supports healthy gut and high-protein diets. Create yogurt rich in natural probiotics and protein, perfect for smoothies, bowls, and meal prep. Built-in whey strainer mesh. Fine mesh in a container gently strains out excess water, leaving behind thick, creamy yogurt with perfect texture. Large 2.5-liter capacity. Make large batches in one go, ideal for families, fitness diets, or weekly meal planning. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Fridge storage containers. Equipped with drainage holes at the bottom of the 4 inner trays, these containers make cleaning fruits and vegetables effortlessly by straining excess water, ensuring pristine cleanliness and preventing spoilage. Inside each refrigerator storage box, you'll find divided drain baskets. This means you can use them as storage bins in the fridge or as colanders over the sink to wash produce. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Sugar containers. The containers are labeled with tea, coffee, and sugar markings, ensuring easy identification and eliminating any confusion while cooking or making beverages. Visually appealing solution for organizing and storing your tea, coffee and sugar. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Rice dispenser. With a capacity of over 10 kgs, the About Space rice dispenser is simple and stylish. It has rounded edges and surface. A measuring cup is also available for ease of use. Made with food-grade durable plastic which is non-toxic and odorless. The 45-degree liftable transparent cover is convenient and allows visual access. Simply rinse the container with water and let it dry. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Butter container. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this container ensures the longevity and freshness of your butter by protecting it from external elements while adding an elegant touch to your kitchen. The knob on the lid enhances the container's visual appeal and makes it practical for easy lifting and butter access, combining style and functionality seamlessly. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Onion container. Made of high-quality material, each clearly labeled and with a specific purpose, making organizing your everyday household items more manageable. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Glass jars. Enhanced by a natural wooden lid and jute chain, adding both elegance and a touch of rustic character. Airtight seal, ensures freshness and preserves the flavor of stored items. Versatile kitchen storage, ideal for storing snacks, fried foods, masalas, spices, pickles, cookies, and more. Embossed glass with wooden airtight lid looks beautiful. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Containers. The well-fitting lids on the spacious dog food storage container keep in freshness and dryness while keeping out dust, moisture, and insects. Keep your pet's food in perfect shape and store it appropriately to keep curious paws away. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Ceramic jars. Can be used as multi-utility storage container jar to store day-to-day knickknacks. It's microwave and dishwasher safe. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Bread box. Made from high-quality materials that makes them long-lasting, strong and durable. Food-grade plastic make these bread bins anti-fall lock. The 360-degree 4-side cover will always keep your food dry and fresh. Multiple loaves can now fit in the corner of your crowded pantry, or simply stand it down on the kitchen counter or fridge top, completely out of the way. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Container. The printed lids add a touch of style to these functional storage containers, making them a great addition to any home, making them a popular choice for kitchen storage needs. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Modular plastic storage. Easy to use and airtight lid is ideal for storing dry food, pulses and spices, keeping them fresh. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Glass spice jar. They are suitable for salts, pepper, spices, powders, and any siftable products for kitchen or personal care use. Stylish design fits into any contemporary household. One side with standard shaker holes, the other with a half-moon pour opening, includes a heat induction, tamper evident. Product link is given in the 20th link.